In this question, you have to match the methods of contraception given in list 1 with their respective actions given in list 2. Now, diaphragms are barrier methods of contraception as they cover the cervix and block the entry of sperms. Thus, A matches with 4. Now, contraceptive pills are preparations containing either progesterones alone or a combination of progesterone and estrogen, and they inhibit ovulation and implantation as well as alter the quality of cervical mucus to prevent entry of sperms. Thus, B matches with 1. Now, intrauterine devices increase the phagocytosis of sperms within the uterus. Thus, C matches with 2. Lactational amenorrhea is a natural method of contraception and is based on the fact that the ovulation and therefore the menstrual cycle do not occur during the period of intense lactation following parturition. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option A. Options B, C, and D are incorrect as these includes incorrect combinations.